The mighty and mysterious Poseidon, one of the most powerful gods, ruled the sea, created earthquakes, and was the god of horses, much prized in ancient society. Poseidon, brother to Zeus and Hades, was a formidable figure in Greek mythology. With his trident in hand, he ruled the oceans and commanded the respect of gods and mortals. But his power extended beyond the waves. He was also the shaker of the earth, causing earthquakes with a mere strike of his trident. Despite having won on Mount Olympus, he spent most of his time in an even more magnificent palace under the sea. Renowned for his temper and vengeful spirit, Poseidon was revered and feared. His wrath could summon storms and sink ships, while his favor brought calm seas and bountiful voyages. Sailors prayed for his mercy before embarking on their journeys. But Poseidon's influence wasn't confined to the sea. He was also the creator of horses, gifting these magnificent creatures to humanity. According to legend, he struck the ground with his trident, and from the earth sprang forth the first horse. In the story of Theseus and the Minotaur, King Minos rules over the island of Crete. Every year he sacrificed his best bull to Poseidon. One year he withheld his favorite bull, a vast white animal. Poseidon noticed, but instead of punishing Minos directly, he targeted his wife. He made her fall in love with the bull, eventually leading to the birth of the half-man, half-bull creature called the Minotaur. In the epic Trojan War, Poseidon played a crucial role, shifting the tides of battle. Poseidon's legacy is as vast as the oceans he ruled. His temples and statues throughout Greece are a tribute to his enduring influence in Greek culture and mythology. If you're captivated by the tales of gods and heroes, like, share, and subscribe for more mythological journeys.